Hey guys, Shrishta this side and welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'll be setting up my February 2020 bullet journal pages. Since it's the month of love, I thought a pink romantic floral theme would be just right. To give it a bit of vintage touch, I've added Kraft paper frames and some cool vintage retro kindish fonts as well. So let's start. For the frames, I'm using the Procreate drawing I used for my last year January bullet journal setup. I'm gonna take one A5 size print. Here I'm realizing that the frames may be a bit small, so I'm scaling it up and taking one more print on A4 size. On the blank space next to the A5 print, I've drawn one big frame which I'll be needing for the cover art. Moving on to the flowers. Since I'm gonna be needing a lot of flowers, I thought I will let my iPad do the work again. I've opened Procreate and I'm starting with drawing some 5-6 basic shapes at different angles of peony flowers. I used some images on Pinterest as reference. After that, I'm just copying these flowers multiple times, scaling them up and down at the same time. So altogether it looks like a random collection of different flower poses and various sizes. I will go on till the whole space is filled up. Now I'm gonna export this image to my laptop and print it out on pink A4 size paper. To add more variety, I'm just gonna scale this image down and create copies and print again. So now I have lots of smaller flowers to work with. I have also got all the text I need in this cool vintage font. This is a basic Word document printout on a transparent sticker sheet. I have also printed some quotes here, as I like to have quotes here and there in my spreads. I will be using my Muji dot grid notebook. And now I'm gonna turn on Netflix and start cutting. The long cutting part is over, guys, and I'm happy with the results so far. Now it's time for the fun part of putting it all together. I'm just playing with the flowers and frames here. I'll stop whenever the overall composition looks okay. And lastly, I'm gonna use Micron fine liners to add the stems and leaves detailing. Guys, I'm loving these spreads. So many flowers and frames, so vintage and romantic, with color but not at all loud, and all the interesting compositions. It's like every page is different and fresh. I can't wait to break into these pages. I hope you guys enjoyed and are feeling inspired to create and write in your journal. Lastly, I want to thank you guys for all the love you showed for my January setup. It was so motivating and it is the reason why I post here. If you guys have anything to share about this video or anything about bullet journaling, please comment down below. Also, I would love to connect with you here or on Instagram. Please follow my account inkandtonic_art. Bye guys, until next video.